Hi there, if you've got problems shutting your phone down with the power button and you've got a Galaxy S series phone and you can't find how to do that, this is just a simple instruction of how to do that. And all it is if I press the power button on this Galaxy S20 Plus, so Bixby wants to open. So it's a simple setting that you've got to go into. So if I exit from that and I go into the settings and I'll scroll down to advanced features, and up the top here you've got side keys. So if I press side keys, you'll see in this one here it says wait Bixby, or there's a power off menu. So I want to activate that, so I hit the power off menu and go back. Now if I hit the power button, this menu comes up and I can hit just power off and it will shut the phone down. So I couldn't work it out when I first got my phone, and I just found this settings to be useful for me, and instead of activating Bixby, I don't need Bixby. So now the power button works on the side there. So this is just if it looks funny, this is just a unicorn beetle case, just in case you're wondering. So that's it there. So that's all good, and thanks for watching, and if this is useful for you, please think about subscribing. Bye.